Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope that you will be fit and fine. Welcome to the second lecture of algebraic expression. In the previous lecture, we have studied about algebraic expression, constants, variables, coefficient of constants, coefficient of variables, power of variables and some identities. Now we are talking about the identities and also problem based of these identities. So let's start. Here we have three identities. A plus b to the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and second one is a minus b to the whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and third one is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Today we are going to discuss the problem based on only these identities. Only these identities we have to problem discussed. Now the first problem is find the square of 3x plus 4y. Find the square of 3x plus 4y. This is the first identity. Sorry, this is the first problem. तो what तो लिखेंगे solution में, if we have to done the square of 5, what can I do? 5 into 5, 25. Similar way पे the square of 3x plus 4y is 3x plus 4y to the whole square. तो लिखेंगे the square of 3x plus 4y is 3x plus 4y to the whole square. Very good बच्चों, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया. 3x plus 4y to the whole square. Now we know that WKT means we know that this is in the form of a plus b to the whole square. So a plus b to the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus twice of ab, and here a is equals to 3s, b is equals to 4y. We can take a is equals to 3x, so put 3x in place of a plus 4y in place of b is equal to, so a square that means 3x to the whole square plus b square it's mean 4y whole square plus 2ab, so 2 into 3x into 4y. Here we have put the identities. Now 3x plus 4y whole square is equal to 3x का square means 3 का square into x square. Square of 3 is 9. तो 9x square plus 4 का square into y square. Square of 4 is 16. 16y square plus 2 3 जा 6, 6 4 जा 24xy. This is the answer of first question. So the square of 3x plus 4y is 9x square plus 16y square plus 24xy. So student, how interesting is this? Very interesting and very easy. Now we are moving in the second question. The second question is find the square of under root 4a, a root से under root 4a plus under root 5b, सॉरी प्लस माइनस कर सकते हैं, under root 4a minus under root 4b. Find the square of under root 4a minus under root 5b. We have to find the square of under root 4a minus under root 5b. Like this, we can write the square of 3x, sorry, under root 4a plus under root 5b is, sorry minus है, under root 4a minus under root 5b whole square. Square means power 2, any value. Square means power 2. Now this is in the form of a minus b to the whole square. तो लिखेंगे now we know that WKT, we know that what a minus b to the whole square is equals to a square plus b square, negative का twice of ab. So putting the values, now Putting the values, a means under root 4a, under root 4a to the whole square plus b square means under root 5b to the होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू ए के प्लेस पर क्या लिख सकते हैं, अंडर रूट 4a इंटू बी अंडर रूट 5b, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ ए बी. नाउ वी कैन राइट root 4a into root 4a square means double time multiply root 4a into root 4a, that means 4a square, 4a square. Similar way पे root 5b into root 5b means root 5 into root 5 multiplied by 2 times, so 5b square minus 2 into root 4 value 2, root 4 gives 2 because we can write root 4 is equals to 2 into 2 and 2 comes out of square root. So it have 2a and root 5b same as written 4a 4 under root 4 is equals to 2. Now 4a square plus 5b square minus 4a square plus 5b square minus 2 2 is 4 root 5ab. This is the answer of under root 4a minus root 5b to under root 4a minus root 5b whole square. So very easy and interesting. Now we move to the next question. Our next question is find the value of the third question. Our third question is find the value of 99 to the whole square using identity. By using identity, we have to find the value of under root 99 to the whole square. Using identity, not direct 99 into 99. No, I can do this, but here we cannot do. Identity 99 to the whole square. We can write 99 is equals to 100 minus 1 and 99 to the whole square is equals to 100 minus 1 to the whole square. So 99 square is equals to a minus b to the whole square. Here we know that a minus b to the whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 99 we can write 100 minus 1 to the whole square is equals to a means 100 का square plus b square, b means 1 का square minus 2 into a means 100 or b means 1. That means 10,000 plus 1 minus 200. 10,001 minus 200. Here we can say what is the answer. I can check 1 2 3 4 1 लिखा 1 2 3 0 1 minus 200 1 subtracted 0 0 आ जाएगा 0 0 कैरी करें 10 minus 2 8 here is 9 9800 9801 9801 This is the answer. The value of 99 to the whole square is 9801. Clear? Very easy. This is the answer. Now we are going to the next question, and our next question is, this is very interesting question and very easy question. The question is, fourth question is, find the value of find the value of 51 to the whole square minus 49 to the whole square using identity. By using identity, we have to find the value of 51 to the whole square minus 41 to the whole square. So now solving, we have to find the value of 51 to the whole square minus 49 to the whole square. That means this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b first bracket, a minus b second bracket. Here a means 51 and b means 49. So a can be replaced as 51 and b can be replaced as 49. 51 to the square minus 49 to the square. A plus b, 51 plus 49. A minus b, 51 minus 49. Here 51 plus 49, that means 100. 51 minus 49, 2. So we have result 200. 51 to the square minus 49 to the square, it gives 200. So value of given expression is 200. It is also very easy. Clear? Now we are going to next question. Our next question number 5 is find the value of 7.83 into 7.83 minus 1.17 into 1.17 upon 6.66. This is the expression. We have to find the value of this. 7.83 into 7.83. Here we can write 7.83 into 7.83 means 7.83 to the whole square. 7.83 का whole square minus 1.17 का whole square upon 6.66. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. It is in the form of a square minus b square, and a square minus b square gives a plus b, bracket close, a minus b. This is the process. Here 7.83 plus 1.17 into 7.83 minus 1.17 upon 6.66. Now 7.83 plus 1.17 means 9.00 into, it gives 6.66 divided by 6.66. 6.66 get cancelled and we obtain the value only 9. 9.00 can be written as only 9. So the answer is 9. The value of given expression, is 9. Very good बच्चों, समझ में आ रहा होगा. Very good. Next. Now we are going to next question. Then our next question is, this is the very interesting question and very easy. Our next question is, find the value of, and it is fifth one. Find the value of 49x square minus 70xy plus 25y square if x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 7. X is equals to 5 and y is equals to 7. Now the question is, find the value of 49x square minus 70xy plus 25y square if x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 7. Solving of this question, we have two options. First option is putting the values of x and y directly in the question. We will find the answer. But it is a lengthy process. We knows the identities, so by using identity, I can solve this question easily and shortly. Let's try. 49x square minus 70xy plus 25y square. 49 can be written in the form of 7x to the whole square minus 70xy plus 5y to the whole square. Here is the form of a square plus b square negative twice of ab. तो इसको मुझे सॉल्व करना है. 7x to the whole square minus we can write 2 into 7x into 5y. It gives 70 because 5 to the 10, 10 7 70x y plus 5y to the whole square. This is the form of square. A minus b, 7x minus 5y to the whole square because a square plus b square minus 2ab. It gives 7x minus 5y to the whole square. Now we can put the values of x and y. 7 into x is equals to 5 minus 5 into y is equals to 7 to the whole square. Wow, we get an answer of 0. 7 5s are 35 minus 35 square is equal to 0. Here the answer is interesting and surprising. We find the answer is 0. So what is the answer? 0. Very good. Next question beta. Our last and next question is if x plus y is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 32, then find the value of what? X square plus y square. It is interesting also question. Solution. If x plus y is equals to 12, xy is equals to 32, then find the value of x square plus y square. So we observe the question and find that x plus y, xy and x square plus y square is 3 values included in only one formula, that is x plus y to the whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. This formula included x plus y, xy and x square plus y square. So we can solve our question easily by using this property. Now putting the values, x plus y to the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y means 12. 12 ka square is equals to, we have to find x square plus y square plus 2 into xy means 32. 12 square means 144 is equals to x square plus y square plus 64. 32 to the 64. 64 positive, left side goes negative. 144 minus 64 is equals to x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equals to 80. 4 minus 4 0, 14 minus 6 8. X square plus y square is 80. Here is the answer. I think this class will be very interesting and easy for you. Solve these questions.